Hello guys, welcome to Tech and Carland. Today I am going to upgrade the halogen fog lamps of my Skoda Laura or Skoda Octavia 2nd gen because the stock halogen fog lamps hardly have any visibility on highway and I need an option which is way brighter compared to the stock ones. So for that I have ordered these Novsight N67 Pro LEDs from Novsight website. At the back you can see the manufacturer details and other contact details. On the left is the serial number of these LEDs and these are compatible with H8, H9 and H11 holder, and always buy from Novsight official website to get a genuine product on which you get this barcode sticker which you can scan to verify it's genuine or not. So this is the website. It has 30,000 lumens output which is very high compared to the stock halogen bulb, and it comes in 6500 Kelvin color temperature. Price on the website is around $78.48 which is around 7,000 rupees. But if you use my coupon code SHAKE which is mentioned on the screen, you can get 20% additional discount. So you can get them at around $62 or 5,400 rupees. Purchase link is mentioned in the description. And shipping is available to India, US, UK, Canada, Australia and to many more countries. I have ordered them to India and it arrived in just 5 days, that too with free shipping. So it was really quick. If you are not sure which bulb holder your car has, then you can use the vehicle bulb finder feature on the website and it will suggest you the compatible LEDs for your car, and it works perfectly. Now let's open the box. First you get these cards. The first one is for customer care. If you face any issue, you can use this, and you can use the second one to register the warranty. Next you get these tie bands to tie up the LEDs cable if you want. You also get a user manual. You can read this if you have any doubts regarding the installation. You get this nice keychain which has Adventure is Calling written on it with Novsight off-road lighting mentioned at the back. And last are these N67 Pro LEDs. It comes with a CAN bus in this black box, so you don't get any error on the instrument cluster of some premium cars. This is the H8, H9, H11 socket. The quality is pretty nice. It has an aluminium build and it feels really premium. At the back it also has a fan to keep the LEDs cool, and these also come with an intelligent temperature control system. Let's install these LEDs now. So my car has this H8 holder in the fog lamps, and these LEDs are just plug and play. No need of any wire cutting or any alteration. Just connect the LEDs and they will start working. While installing these LEDs, make sure you rotate it till you feel a locking sound, and it should be placed in the vertical angle like you can see on the screen. So the LED has been installed and it's really bright compared to my stock halogens. You can see the yellow halogen bulb in the left fog lamp. I know the difference may not be visible on the camera, but just see the difference in the throw of LED on the right and halogen on the left. It's almost day and night difference, and this is what I wanted. And these LEDs are IP68 certified, so they won't get damaged because of dirt and water. And they also come with a warranty of 2 years. So if you face any issue, you can get them replaced even in India. Just don't forget to register warranty on the website. As you can see, the throw is really nice. It's really sharp and spread is also really good in spite of being installed in such a small fog lamp housing. You can also install them in the main headlight if your holder size is H8, H9 or H11. Else other holder size LEDs are also available for fog lamp and headlights. And these N67 Pro LEDs have a lifespan of 1 lakh hours, so they will last for a long time. So if you are looking to upgrade your stock halogens, then these should be your first choice. Now let's take a small drive to see how's the visibility while driving. So you can see the output of these N67 Pro LEDs, how far and wide these LEDs can brighten up the road ahead. And these are so bright that in compact spaces, you won't even feel the need to turn on your main headlight. Just the fog lamps will do the work. And if you install these H8 N67 Pro in the main headlight, then the throw and output will be even better because headlights have a bigger reflector, so the light will reflect more, resulting in even better output. And since now I am satisfied with the output of these Novsight LEDs, I'll change the high beam halogen bulbs to LEDs as well. They are H1s in my Skoda Laura. So if you want to buy the Novsight LEDs for any car, you can buy it from the link mentioned in the description. Also don't forget to use the coupon code SHAKE to get 20% additional discount. If you have any doubt regarding these LEDs, you can ask me in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like and share button. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more car related videos. I will be back with more modification videos soon. So till then, stay tuned.